The new 2025 BMW X9 marks a significant leap forward in the world of high-performance luxury SUVs. Designed to combine the imposing presence of a full-size SUV with the agility and finesse BMW is known for, the X9 represents a new flagship in the brand's lineup, one that doesn't just raise the bar, but redefines it. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW X9 offers a choice between a potent twin-turbocharged V8 and a plug-in hybrid variant that pairs thrilling acceleration with impressive efficiency. Delivering up to 735 horsepower in the M performance trim, the X9 rockets from 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds, rivaling many sports cars while maintaining SUV versatility. Advanced X-Drive all-wheel drive, adaptive air suspension, and rear-wheel steering provide unmatched handling and control, whether you're cruising the Autobahn or carving through mountain roads. Exterior design. The X9 turns heads with a design language that's both futuristic and unmistakably BMW. Its bold kidney grille is flanked by slim, aggressive LED laser headlights, while the sculpted sides and muscular fenders hint at its athletic capability. A floating roofline and oversized wheels up to 24 inches add a commanding road presence. Whether parked or in motion, the X9 exudes confidence and luxury. Interior design. Step inside, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of modern luxury. The cabin of the X9 features sustainable materials, customizable ambient lighting, and a panoramic sky lounge roof that floods the interior with natural light. The curved digital display stretches seamlessly across the dashboard, powered by BMW's iDrive 9 system. Executive class seating with massaging and ventilation functions is standard, while a rear seat entertainment suite and optional third row make the X9 as functional as it is indulgent. Fuel efficiency. Despite its size and power, the 2025 X9 surprises with efficiency. The plug-in hybrid model offers up to 50 miles of electric-only range, ideal for urban commuting. BMW's intelligent energy management system ensures seamless transitions between power sources, while regenerative braking and aerodynamic enhancements help minimize fuel consumption, proving that performance and responsibility can go hand in hand. The 2025 BMW X9 is more than just a new model, it's a statement. A bold fusion of luxury, performance, and technology, it's engineered for those who demand everything without compromise. Whether you're at the wheel or relaxing in the back, the X9 delivers an experience that's nothing short of extraordinary.